Welcome. This is my analysis of the article Assessment Through the Student's Eyes by Rick Stiggins. Who is Rick Stiggins, you ask? He is one of the leaders and proponents of assessment for learning. This particular article is based on the premise that if we set our students up for success, they will be successful. We start by taking a look back at traditional teaching, which he calls monitoring learning. It needs to be transformed to become enhancing or engaging learning, which is the idea that students are learning without realizing that they are learning. His premise is to set our students up for success starting on day one. Consider you have a research project you want the students to complete. His approach is to have the students analyze an outstanding exemplar, followed by a poor quality sample, then comparing the two, analyzing and evaluating the features in detail, developing a criteria list of the key features and criteria, which thus transforms into the rubric. The benefit of this exercise is that the students have taken ownership and they know what to expect, and you've set them up for success. The con, of course, is it takes time to build. Another example he provided in his article is help students turn failure into success. Yes, this is going to take time, but it's worth it. So start with analyzing test results. You want to celebrate their successes, not their failures. Have the students go through and figure out just how many questions did they get right. The ones that they missed, was it careless mistakes, perhaps losing the negative in the math question, or adding 2 + 2 = 5. Figure out what knowledge is missing. Take the time to fill in the blanks and give the students a chance to redo their tests and get them onto a winning streak. He closes the article by pointing out that we need to adjust our vision of excellence in assessment. It's not just about marks. We need to help produce winning streaks so students won't give up and that they'll be excited to keep learning. So how does this relate to the Growing Success document published by the Ministry of Education? If we look at this document, there are 3 types of assessment: assessment for learning, assessment as learning, and assessment of learning. They correspond to diagnostic assessment, formative assessment, and summative assessment. With respect to Dr. Stiggins' article, he's mapping to the formative assessment component. Within formative assessment, there are 2 parts to it. The first part is the interaction between the teacher and the student, where the teacher is providing descriptive feedback and providing scaffolding. Second part is the peer feedback and self-reflection and awareness and resetting goals. Reflecting upon my placements, I had the opportunity to put this formative assessment into action. I have learned that exit tickets are my best friend. They provide immediate feedback on a student's learning, the opportunity to address misconceptions early on, and put the students on a winning streak. I also have the opportunity to give students descriptive feedback, not just the good job, but tell them, yes, you did this right, or yes, I would expand on this particular item. How has this impacted my teaching practice? Descriptive feedback engages students to learn and sets them up for success. I'll give you a personal example. I am a downhill skier, and I went through a period of time where I took lessons and the only feedback I got was nice skiing or good job. Well, this doesn't tell me anything. I can't believe that my skiing is perfect. I'm sure there must be somewhere I can improve. So subsequently, I decided to pursue a career in ski racing. And the coaching I got was excellent because that helped me to improve my skiing. They gave me very specific feedback on things that I should do. As a result, I became a ski instructor, and it was the turning point and has started me on the career path to teaching. The area I still need to grow in is to set up opportunities for my students to provide peer feedback and also to learn more about self-awareness and self-reflection. The last couple things I have here are a video from Rick Stiggins presenting at a conference. It's definitely worth a look. And the final page contains the references that I used. Thank you.